mechanical keyboard owner notices one key sticking and slowing their typing speed, signaling a buildup of dust and debris. First, they unplug the keyboard, remove the keycap, and spray compressed air before wiping the switch with a microfiber cloth to reveal a clear path. Next, they apply a tiny dab of lubricant to the stem, reseat the keycap, and test with touch typing to ensure smooth recovery. If the issue persists, they check for switch misalignment or plate deformation and consider replacing the switch stem assembly. Safety comes first with anti-static mat and proper disposal of any damaged parts.